This vehicle is designed to meet medium to low capacity demands and can operate under complex conditions like tight curves, steep slopes, extreme temperatures, and high altitudes. Its currently in use in Medellin, Colombia. This vehicle achieves over 15% energy savings for the whole vehicle and reduces weight by over 600 kilograms. They can monitor key systems online. Status in real time and conduct. Intelligent life cycle maintenance. While added sensors regulate the passenger cabin environment,
this train caters to medium and long-distance passenger needs. It cuts running resistance by 16% and per capita energy consumption by 12% versus existing units. Brakes on 30 per mil slopes. Has top-notch noise index. Uses recyclables. And now serves most of China.